All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we are going to be cleaning my neighbor's siding, and I'm going to show you exactly how I mix up my cleaning solution. This is what I'm going to use. This is a foam cannon. It's a Sunjoe foam cannon, and I'm going to use my, holy crap, and I'm going to use my Sunjoe pressure washer. I don't know if you really have to have this Sunjoe and this Sunjoe, but I just know how it sprays the exact correct cleaning solution out on the siding, and it seems to work. You could probably use a different foam cannon if you want, whatever. But so I'm going to use like a funnel. I am going to end up using my 15-degree nozzle when I go to rinse it off, and I have some Gain. I used this before. I don't know if you have to have Gain with Oxy in it, but I got it because it has Oxy in it, and this is just laundry detergent. And then I got, last time I used pool chlorine, which would probably work awesome. This time I have pool shock. Only difference between this pool shock and the pool chlorine is if you look down in the ingredients, it says the SH is at 10% in this one. And if you buy the pool shock, the SH is at 12.5%. So it's just a little stronger in the pool shock. But we're going to use the pool shock this time, because this one here has been sitting for over a year, and some people say it starts to get old after it sits for a long time. So I just wanted to show you that. You can use this. All right, and you might want to have something to cover up your bushes or trees or flowers. This is my neighbor's house. He says he really don't care, so I'm just going to spray them down with some clean water before we start. All right, we're gonna mix this up. I'm gonna use 2 and 4. So 2 cups of this pool shock or pool chlorine, whatever you got. And make sure you have eye protection on, and you might want to even have gloves on and a mask, but I'm gonna live on the edge. Good thing my wife ain't here. All right, 2 cups of this. I'm gonna dump a little in there. There, I got like 1 cup in there. So it's 2 and 4. So I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of this laundry soap. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't gotta get too super accurate. And now I'm gonna put this other cup in here. That. All right, that's the mix. I know I can fit 1 more cup of this pool shock in here, so I'm gonna do that. And then just put 2 more of the laundry detergent. So I should have a bucket of water here, so I can rinse my hands off. But I didn't get any on my hands, so that's good. That's it. Now, if you're using the Sunjoe foam cannon, I take the dial on the top and I tighten it up all the way down. So put it all the way to the negative. See, it goes all the way to the positive, all the way to the negative. That way, it's like sucking up the smallest amount that it can. And you can adjust this however you want. If you turn this front part, it's gonna either fan it way out or it's gonna shoot straight. I'm gonna make it so it shoots straight because I'm shooting all the way to the top of this house and working my way down. All right, don't forget to like slowly mix up your juice here. All right, I'm just gonna spray down some of the plants, even though my neighbor said he don't care. Now I'm gonna spray laundry detergent and chlorine, or the chlorine shock on here. Then we're gonna let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna rinse it off. Let the mix 1 more batch up, do the rest of this bottom. I want to spray that big tree with some water. I think I need to hit that whole soffit. I think you can see where it hit it. Ready? Okay. All right, this is my ending shot. Does it look a lot nicer? Now there's still a couple spots that's just a little bit wet, but I think it looks really good. I see a couple little spots of dirt, but neighbor says it looks like a brand new house again. All right, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you could help me out by giving this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below or hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. That would be awesome. So thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.